Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix Microsoft document don't show background color on printing. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see we added background color on page, but on print preview this don't show background color. Press Ctrl P. Now you don't see any color, so you can click on option. So we are in option and then you see display, so click on it. Now you see printing option and then you see print background colors and images. Enable this option and then click on OK. Now again click on Ctrl P. Now you see our print preview show background color scheme on our pages in Microsoft Word, MS Word. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.